Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing only what matters. Confirm Excel 2016 or later and install the SQL ODG driver so Windows and Excel speak the same protocol. Once done, make sure you have the server name, database name, and credentials at hand so you won't pause. Now in Excel, go to Data, get data from database from SQL Server Database. That opens the connection dialog. You're initiating the link, not copying data yet. This is why credentials and driver match matter. Next, enter the server and database, and select Windows Authentication or SQL Authentication depending on your access. This decides how credentials are validated. If you need specific rows, use advanced options to paste a SQL query. It reduces transferred data and speeds refresh. Once you press OK, Excel previews results. Make sure columns and types look right. If anything needs cleaning, choose Transform Data and use Power Query to filter. Rename or change types before you load. That keeps your workbook tidy and fast. Finish by choosing Load to. Send results to a worksheet or to the data model for pivot tables and smaller memory impact. Choose Connection only for very large extracts. Then set Refresh Behavior, refresh on open, enable background refresh, or schedule using Power BI or Windows Task Scheduler for automated pulls. If the connection fails, first check the firewall and that SQL Server TCP/IP is enabled. Also confirm your ODG driver version matches the server. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.